What is the use of double forward slash operator in Python? The double forward slash operator in Python is the floor division operator. It is used to divide two numbers and return the quotient as an integer, rounding down to nearest integer. Here is an example. When you use 7 floor division operator on 3, the result is true. In the above example, we are dividing 7 by 3 using the floor division operator. The result is 2, which is the quotient of the division rounded down to the nearest integer. The floor division operator can be useful in situation where you want to perform integer division and discard the remainder. For example, if you want to split a list into two parts of equal size, you can use floor division operator to calculate the midpoint. So you have a list containing elements. You can calculate the midpoint by taking the length of the list, applying floor division operator on it by 2. So this will give the midpoint and the midpoint will be stored in the midpoint variable. In the above example, we are calculating the midpoint of my underscore list by dividing its length by 2 using the floor division operator. The result is 5, which is the index of the midpoint element. Overall, the floor division operator is useful tool in Python for performing integer division and rounding down to the nearest integer. It is commonly used in mathematical and computational applications. That's it for this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.